Welcome back to our T&C channel. Today, we're heading towards one of the most beautiful places in Fujairah, where mountains, nature, and peaceful landscapes come together to create an unforgettable experience. So join us on this amazing day trip as we explore the hidden beauty of the UAE. This area is called Wadi Al Hail, and today we are planning to visit the historic fort hidden within these beautiful mountains. This area truly surprised us with its beautiful green wadi, surrounded by majestic mountains from every side. The peaceful scenery and natural beauty make this place feel completely different from the usual desert landscapes of the UAE. Wadi Al Hail is one of the historic and naturally beautiful areas in Fujairah, known for its mountain landscapes, green farms, and ancient heritage. Around this fort, there are also a few archaeological sites filled with history and old ruins. So first, let's explore these fascinating places before heading towards the fort itself. These old houses around the fort give us a glimpse into the traditional lifestyle of the people who once lived in Wadi Al Hail many years ago. Most of these homes were built using stones from the surrounding mountains along with mud and palm materials, helping them stay cool during the hot weather. The narrow pathways, small rooms, and simple structures reflect how people lived a peaceful and hard-working life close to nature and water sources in this valley. Even though many of these houses are now abandoned, they still carry the history, culture, and memories of an earlier time in the UAE. This valley was once an important settlement where people lived close to natural water sources flowing through the wadi. Even today, you can still find old ruins, traditional houses, and archaeological remains that reflect the history and lifestyle of the people who lived here centuries ago. Surrounded by the higher mountains, this peaceful area offers a perfect combination of nature, history, and adventure. You can see beautiful date trees spread across the area along with a few small local houses, adding a traditional village feeling to this peaceful valley. The area near the fort is still quite empty, with only a few old houses around, so you can easily find parking for your car without any difficulty. Now it's time to head inside and explore this historic fort, where every corner carries a story from the past. Unfortunately, the fort was closed during our visit, but that didn't stop us from continuing our journey and exploring the beauty of this amazing place. We then decided to head uphill towards the watchtower to enjoy the breathtaking views from above and explore more of this historic area. There is a narrow path leading up the hill, but it's still manageable for a short hike and adds a bit of adventure to the journey. It's a small hill to hike, but believe me, the view from the top is something you will never forget. And that's exactly what a local guide told us before we started the climb. But the higher we climbed, the more excited we became as the wide and beautiful views slowly started revealing themselves around us. From this point, you can enjoy a full view of the fort surrounded by the wide Wadi and dramatic rocky mountains, creating an absolutely breathtaking landscape. Believe me, this view is absolutely amazing. The kind of place where you just want to pause for a moment, relax, and admire the beauty of nature all around you. Now we have finally reached the watchtower, and the view from the top of the hill is absolutely breathtaking. In the past, these watchtowers played an important role in protecting the area, helping locals keep an eye on the valley and surrounding routes for any movement or danger. Built at high points like this, they offered a clear panoramic view of the entire region. Standing here today, you can truly understand why this location was chosen. The mountains, the Wadi, and the historic fort below can all be seen from one perfect viewpoint. This place is truly a hidden gem that very few people know about, which is why it still feels so quiet, peaceful, and untouched. It's a perfect spot to spend a relaxing day surrounded by nature. Whether you come here with friends, family, or even alone to enjoy some peaceful moments away from the busy city life. The view becomes even more beautiful when you look down towards the Wadi. The greenery spread across the valley with the massive rocky mountains surrounding it almost feels like nature itself is protecting this hidden area. The scenery from here looks absolutely stunning. We are sure that in the future, this area will become even more developed while still keeping its natural charm, attracting more visitors who want to experience the beauty, peace, and history of this hidden destination. There is still so much more to discover in this beautiful area, but as the sun slowly starts going down, it's time for us to make our way back down the hill. So before we head back down, let's take one last moment to enjoy this incredible view and capture the peaceful beauty of this hidden valley. For sure, we will come back again to explore the Wadi itself in more detail, because this place still has so much beauty left to discover. But for today, we will end our journey here, and we truly recommend all of you to visit this hidden gem at least once and experience its peaceful nature and breathtaking views for yourself. We hope you enjoyed this journey with us. Do share your feedback in the comments and let us know which place we should explore next. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our T&C channel for more amazing travel adventures across the UAE. Until next time, take care and goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.